Hello, welcome to Uzbekistan.
We left Khiva this morning after 3 nights and a spectacular, awesome time there. Met some really cool people, mostly cyclists and some Defender overlanders as well. We've driven about 100 kilometers north and we're here at Qizi-Qala, which is this is an ancient fortress. We're just going to camp right there. We've come up the stairs and entered the ancient fort of Qizi-Qala, which you can see they are refurbishing at the moment. We met some of the workers and stuff this morning. Yeah, we have to check out, see how old this place actually is, when it dates back to, but it's pretty impressive. Another pretty unique camp spot tonight at a fort called Ayaz Kala. It's a little bit windy, so tucked in behind the walls of the ruined fortress here. Ayaz Kala 2, that fortress is called down there. Another pretty epic campsite location.
Moon, I'm there soon. I'm leaving quite early tomorrow morning. Undercover, baby, is what you ask of me. Soon I'll be disguised. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Dear, I'm no longer scared.
We see a lot of sunrises and a lot of sunsets, but I'm going to put it out there and say that that was one of the most spectacular I have ever seen. That was very, very special. So beautiful.
Warning, aircraft battery at 10%.
That's the drone flying the drone. Shh, not supposed to be in this country. It's bloody freezing again. Today we show you the sunrise. Check this out. Look at that. Another perfect day in Uzbekistan, and the light coming down on the fortress down there is really, really cool. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, minus 8.8 degrees Celsius. So it's bloody freezing out here right now. Starting the car this morning could be quite interesting. We'll see if this winter diesel additive is doing its job or not. We spent the night in a hotel last night, cheap hotel, because we knew it was going to be cold and we needed to have a shower. And
we need registration.
Yeah, we got an excuse.
Registration card.
So they can track you a little bit where you're going and stuff. The car started first go. I can't believe it.
It's cold!
It's so freezing right now.
Let's see how an Australian cope with the cold weather.
Oh man, my brain just can't comprehend how it can be 9 o'clock in the morning, brilliant sunshine and negative 8.8 degrees. How does that work? My fingertips that are the worst.
This road is terrible.
This is the major highway, but it's concrete slab, it's not bitumen, and it's, I don't know, they did a bad job in whoever they got to make this road, because it's just got like wavy bumps in it and all of them the same distance apart, and it's in okay condition, but it's just a constant I think I'd prefer the potholes maybe. I'm excited because I'm in a different part of the car. It's not very often the little Frenchie takes over behind the wheel. Although it's a little bit of this bumpy road, it doesn't seem to be any other cars on the entire freeway. She's gonna have to do 100 kilometers. We've got 300 to go to our destination in Bukhara. Steffi's gonna do 100 of them to give me a break.
We stopped on the side of the road in this local restaurant, and we've got a really good
Is it warm?
thing going on here.
It's like fully homemade. I don't think it would pass the standards test in Australia.
No, probably not. And it goes in through the whole room. We just arrived in Bukhara. Yeah, we're gonna camp here, and so we can use toilets and showers. I think it's about $10 per night, and it's safe also. Today we take you on a tour of
Bukhara. Let's go.
my knees.
Feathers in my hair and braids around my waist. I'm almost a bird.
Santa. Da. Dikkat oldu. Yakini.
I hope I'm not gonna mess it up.
Don't mess it up. Let's put it on next to the other one.
Yeah?
Ah, he's like, no.
Ah, not my mascara! You can't go in
Watch
there!
how he does it.
Wow!
Watch this man, he's the professional.
It burned my lashes! It was so hot in there.
He's in and out very fast.
Yeah.
God, they feel incredible. Now we know where to come every day for our
Yes.
burn. The best naan in Bukhara.
We all strive to be more. We all long for viva la vida. Whoa!
Ah, yeah. Uh-huh.
I'm so happy to see you.
Oh, that's so cute.
But I don't think it's so warm. I think it's just for sure. Maybe for the summer.
The beauty of visiting a city out of the tourist season.
And they're so heavy, they must be warm because it's freezing here. And all the local guys are walking around with these big dressing gowns on.
It fills up my lungs and it tickles. Oh, what a joyful feeling. I think I'm gonna stay here under all these rays and soak up the sun. Ooh, we long for viva la vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya. A bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see ya. And we learn from our mistakes, and we grow from what breaks us. We let it take its time. We long for viva la vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya.
I need to look at the camera.